aspirant. Supreme Court Collegium. Supreme Court Collegium has recommended to the Centre the name of 5 additional judges of Karnataka High Court. The 3-member Collegium also recommended that Justice Jurushidaya Basavaraja has appointed as an additional judge of Karnataka High Court. Collegium system is the system for the appointment and transfer of judges. It is not rooted in the constitution. Instead, it has evolved through judgments of the Supreme Court. So, under the system, the Chief Justice of India, along with the 4 senior-most Supreme Court judges, recommend the appointment transfer. High Court Collegium, meanwhile, is led by the incumbent Chief Justice and 2 senior-most judges. Government can also raise objection and seek clarification regarding the collegium choices. Constitution provisions Article 124 says that Supreme Court judges should be appointed by the President. It should be done after consultation with such judges of the High Courts and the Supreme Court as the President deemed necessary. The CJI is to be consulted in all appointments except his or one. Article 217 High Court judges should be appointed by the President. Chief Justice of High Court concerned too should be consulted. Glacier Lake outburst flood. This comes under GS3 environment. The Uttarakhand government has constituted 2 teams of experts to evaluate the risk posed by 5 potentially hazardous glacial lakes. These lakes are prone to glacier lake outburst floods. So this flood is a type of catastrophic flood that occurs when a dam containing glacial lake fails. This type of flood is typically caused by rapid melting of glaciers or the buildup of water in the lake. These floods can be triggered by a number of factors including changes in the volume of glaciers. And according to National Disaster Management Authority, glacial retreat due to climate change occurring in most part of Hindu Kush Himalayas. RBI kept policy rates unchanged. So MPC of RBI which decided to keep the repo rate, main policy rate unchanged at 6.5%. Both the decisions were taken in the majority of 5:1 voting by the 6-member MPC. So RBI Act has been amended by the Finance Act 2016 to provide the statutory and institutionalized framework. So the central government is empowered to constitute a 6-member MPC. MPC is entrusted with the task of fixing the benchmark policy rate required to contain inflation. So MPC will have 6 members. The external members hold office for the period of 4 years. Quorum for a meeting shall be 4 members, at least one of whom shall be a governor, in his absence the deputy governor who is the member of MPC. Thank you.